Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, today's video will save you tons of time in Jira. I'm breaking down exactly how to create a Jira story the right way. Clear, simple, and perfect for both beginners and experienced project managers. By the end, you'll know every essential step and avoid the mistakes that slow teams down. Let's jump in. First, after logging into Jira, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, navigate to your work. This section acts like your personal command center. It shows tasks across all the projects you're becoming involved in. Using this space keeps everything organized and ensures you're working inside the right project before creating anything new. Next, look for the Create button at the top. It's usually hard to miss. Clicking this opens up the issue creation panel, and this is where your story officially begins. Think of it as the form that holds every detail your team will rely on later. Before typing anything, make sure the issue type is set to story. This is important. Choosing story instead of bug or task changes how the item flows through your project's workflow. A story typically represents a piece of work small enough to be completed within a single sprint, so selecting the proper type keeps your planning consistent. Now, fill in the summary. This should be a short, clear headline that instantly communicates what the story is about. A great summary helps your teammates understand the goal without reading paragraphs of description. Once that's set, go to the assignee field and choose the team member who will be responsible for this story. Assigning ownership early helps balance your workload and ensures each story lands with the right expert. Next, add story point. This is your effort estimate, how complex or time-consuming the work will be. Whether your team uses Fibonacci numbers or another scale, story points are key to sprint planning and forecasting progress. When everything looks good, take a moment to review all the details. A quick check now can save you from errors and rework later. And when you're confident everything is correct, hit create and your Jira story is officially ready to go. If this guide helped you understand Jira a little better, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear, actionable tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.